Hey guys, it's me Alex, and I got a box. Let's open it. So I received this box today. This is a review of, it's going to be a review of a product by AIO Robotics. They are a 3D printer manufacturer. We're a 3D printer manufacturer, but they now sell Filament. Just hoping I could review one of their printers, but they send me Filament instead. Filament runs, it's a pack of 4 rolls. I believe the colors are, we're going to cut this. I believe the colors are white, black, red, and blue. It's around $40 for the rolls. What's inside the box? Let's see. Okay, so apparently the camera just decided not to record. I had a whole thing where I was throwing the boxes, unboxing the printer, no, the Filament. But yeah, here's the packaging. It comes in. Join our rewards program to get free Filament at AIORobotics.com/rewards. Sign up there. Get free Filament. Also go on www.AIORobotics.com to check out their products. They were very nice to send me the Filament, and from the emails I've discussed with them, they're a really nice company. The people who work there are really nice. I wouldn't be surprised if they're all Canadians. So I was gonna grab the Cindo Filament. See if it fits. It might. It might fit. Side. I'm going to hold on to that because that helps keep them dry. Those are Avatar. So, buy it on Amazon. Don't know how much it costs. I can put the price somewhere here. But yeah. If it fits. That's cool. It does fit. It's pretty neat. Oh, a piece flew out. No, don't fall. Alright, so I'm going to do a few prints with these filaments, all the different colors. I'll get back to you once I'm done printing. And I printed out a whole bunch of the Robert Rex models. I'll link that in the description too. But yeah, again, the blue looks nice. These are all perfect filaments to paint over. So here's how the, I'm going to call this sapphire blue. Actually, if you can look closely, it's turned a bit white. Here's the black filament. Here's the white filament. Turned out pretty good. I'm going to call this a cherry red. This is a really bright red. My school doesn't have red filament, so this is really handy to have. And all these filament seems to be great to paint over. So I'm definitely looking forward to using the filament in future projects. So yeah, I just want to take the time to thank AIO Robotics for providing me with the filament to review. It's really nice of them. Their support team is really nice. We were sending each other emails back and forth, coordinating this, and they were just really nice. Go check out the Amazon link I'm going to leave below. It's a great deal for the 4 rolls, because most filament rolls cost $20 for a single roll. For the price of about 2 rolls, you're getting 4 rolls. If you like the video, comment down below, leave a like, subscribe to me if you like my content, and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my recent posts. And I should have another video out this week about Maker Faire. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.